This is Jozankei in Hokkaido, one of the famous hot springs areas in the prefecture. And this is Chalet Ivy Jozankei in Jozankei. And it's a 26-room luxury Ryokan. And this is the premium suite. The top category room. It's 137 square meters. It's a little bit overkill for us because there's 2 bedrooms. But before we look at the bedrooms, we will take a look at the main living quarters. This is overkill also because every accommodation in this property is they're all suites. And even the smallest room has 67 square meters. So there's plenty of living space, and you can't go wrong whichever room you book here. So this is the main living room. You can see it's along the river. You can't see the river from here, but there's a valley down below. You can see it from the reception area, but for privacy's sake, I think, they also have vegetation. I don't know if it's for privacy's sake, maybe it's been here all along, but this is what you can see from the room. And so, yeah, so you have the, very stylish lounge area. Again, this was formed in 2019, so relatively new. Japanese modern aesthetics and furnishings. Jozankei is about an hour, actually probably less than an hour from Sapporo, which is the main city of Hokkaido. And so before we go show the bedrooms, we'll show there's 2 bathrooms. But this is the main one. So, and it also has 2 toilets. Yep, there's one. And then here is the indoor onsen. Hot springs in English. Jozankei is one of the famous onsen towns in Hokkaido. There's quite a few of them in this prefecture, including Noboribetsu, Tokachigawa, and a host of others. But anyways, this is one of them, and it's also convenient, as I said, to get from Sapporo. So that's the main living room and bathing area. You can see there's a sitting area and a lounge area and a dining table. So then we will come around. So there's 2 bedrooms. One has 2 double beds and one has a king bed. This is so you can come with the whole family or 2 couples, no problem. Although as you probably know by now, in Japan, most ryokans, they charge per person, and although sometimes if you're alone, they'll charge a single supplement, or in some cases they'll charge for 2 people, even if you're alone. But in this case, so if you're not the best of friends, you kind of don't need a 2-bedroom. You can have 2 rooms between the 4 of you, unless this is the only room available. So 2 double beds. You can see over here you have a view of the forest. I should have, let me see if I can, here we go. All right, it's not the best job. So, yeah, this is a Western style bed. Vanity, and then here is the yukata. And you can wear anywhere on the property or even outside in Jozankei Jozankei town because it's an onsen town, and that's what people wear strolling around. This is pajamas, which they advise you only wear in the room. I think I already showed the closet. And so anyways, you come this way. And this is there's a kitchen for extended stays. So it's an electric stove, dishwasher, microwave, and a large refrigerator. So yeah, you have everything you need here to pass the time. Let's see, did I show you over here? So this is the next bedroom. So the closet again, similar to the other room. And the difference being you have one king bed. So Jozankei is an onsen town, so it does feel like you're in a hot springs village, which is pretty cool. And it's not too far from Sapporo, and there's some nice nature around. So, formed in 2019, 26 rooms. This is the top category room, the premium suite, and very comfortable place for us. We like this aesthetic, so we look forward to it. All right, the premium suite at Chalet Ivy Jozankei. Hope you enjoy.